In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add birthday on Google Calendar. We'll make this really simple by using Google Contacts, because Google Calendar automatically pulls birthdays from your contacts. To keep things smooth, make sure you're signed into the same Google account in both places. Start by opening two browser tabs, one for Google Calendar and one for Google Contacts. We'll begin in Contacts, then switch back to Calendar to see the birthday appear. Head to contacts.google.com in your Contacts tab. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new entry. Click Create Contact, then select Create a Contact. This opens a form where you'll add the person's details. Enter the first name, then the last name. Everything else on this screen is optional, so you can keep it simple or be as detailed as you like. If you have the person's email address, add it here. That can help keep all their information in one place and makes it easier for Google services to recognize the contact across apps. Now, the most important part, add the birthday. Find the birthday field in the contact form and enter the month and day. The year is optional, so if you don't know it or prefer not to include it, leave it blank. Calendar will still show the birthday every year. This will show up as an all-day entry on the correct date. If you want, you can also add notes. This is handy for things like gift ideas, preferences, or a reminder about a celebration tradition. Notes stay attached to the contact and can be useful context later. When everything looks good, click Save. That's all you need to do in Contacts. Now switch over to your Google Calendar tab. Give the page a quick refresh so it pulls in the latest contact information. Navigate to the birthday date you just added and you should see it appear automatically on the calendar, usually under the Birthdays Calendar section. It will repeat annually, so you'll only need to set it once. If you don't see it right away, check that you're viewing the same account and that the Birthdays Calendar is visible. Sometimes it takes a moment to sync, so a refresh usually does the trick. And that's it. You've successfully added a birthday to Google Calendar by saving it in Google Contacts. This keeps your reminders consistent every year with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and enjoy never missing a birthday again.